In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to add a slider to a page in Shopify. Whether for product promotions, featured content, or just for aesthetics, sliders can truly boost a web page's visual appeal. So let's get right into it by beginning at your Shopify admin dashboard. First things first, you need to be in your dashboard. If you're not there yet, just log into your Shopify account. Once you're in, your next move will be to navigate to the area of your admin panel where you can manage your store's online appearance. To get there, you need to locate and select the Online Store option, and then directly after, you want to click on Themes. Now, you'll see a list of themes. Look for the theme that's currently active or the one that you wish to add a slider to. To the right of that theme's name, there's a button that says Customize. Go ahead and click that. This takes you into the theme editor. Next, you'll need to select the type of page where you want this slider to appear. Go to the top of your screen and find the template drop-down. Here, you want to scroll until you find and select Pages. Following that, you'll want to choose the Default Page option. We're getting closer to the exciting part now. On the left side of your screen, look for an option that says Add Section. As you might have guessed, you'll want to click on that. This leads you to a whole catalog of features you can add to your page. Your goal now is to find the slideshow function. Do a quick search and it should pop up. Click to select it. This will add a basic slideshow structure to your page. As a new slideshow builder user, you get to add your own set of slides. To do this, find and select the Add Slide button. There'll be an option to do this for as many images as you want to include. Every slide that you add requires you to upload an image and write a heading, a subheading, and a button link for each one. The process doesn't change, regardless of how many slides you want. Just upload the image, fill out the details, and move on to the next slide if there is one. Absolutely love that autoplay feature on sliders? Great news! You can enable that right here too. When setting your slideshow options, feel free to select the autoplay feature if it fits your site's needs and style. Once all your slides are set, you'll probably want to position them properly. Simply click and hold your slideshow section, then drag it to where you want it. Perfect positioning can really help make your page look just right. When you're happy with the way everything looks, there's only one thing left to do. Save your progress. Look for the Save button up top, give it a click, and all your hard work gets stored and applied. And voila! You now know how to add a slider to a page in Shopify. You're all set to create eye-catching image slideshows on your online store.